Hello everyone, my name is Kristine. I'm born in Latvia and living in Portugal. I'm thrilled to invite you to an exclusive online beauty event that is gonna change your perception of the beauty. I'm thrilled to invite you to a beauty event, my free webinar. This event is gonna transform your perception of the beauty, of the natural beauty, and I'm very excited to share my knowledge with you. The event is designed for only for subscribers. And I promise this is gonna be a game-changing event. Lash and brow lamination secrets and techniques. Whether you are a beauty professional already and ready to enhance your skills, or someone who is really excited about the beauty, so this webinar is also for you. If you are ready to unlock the beauty doors with me, so you only thing have to do is subscribe to this webinar and we will meet on 22nd of November. But before that, I still have prepared some surprises for you. Subscribe now and mark in your calendar. I'm looking forward to see you there. Mwah.